Dipeptidyl peptidase inhibitors. DPP-4 inhibitors are a class of antidiabetic medication that is used to treat diabetes in type 2 diabetes mellitus. So the mechanism of action mainly relies in inhibiting the DPP-4 enzyme. It's an enzyme that breaks down the incretins that are released by the small intestine. So the small intestine, in response to glucose, releases incretins that are GLP and GIP. These incretins signal the beta cells of the pancreas to increase the secretion of insulin and signal the alpha cells of the pancreas to decrease the secretion of glucagon, thus maintaining the plasma blood glucose level. Dipeptidyl peptidase inhibitors, the main three that I'm going to discuss today are sitagliptin, linagliptin, and saxagliptin. Sitagliptin, the dose of sitagliptin is 100 mg once daily, and the dose should be adjusted if there is renal impairment, and the adjustment will depend on the creatinine clearance. It usually comes in combination with metformin such as Janumet and Vilmentia. Saxagliptin, the usual dose is 2.5, ranges from 2.5 to 5 mg once daily, also comes in combination with metformin. And lastly, linagliptin, which is given 5 mg once daily. And the special thing about linagliptin is that the no dose adjustment is required for hepatic or renal impairment. The DPP-4 inhibitors are contraindicated with CYP3A4 inducers or inhibitors because CYP3A4 is the enzyme that metabolizes the DPP-4 inhibitors. Also, they are contraindicated in pancreatitis, type 1 diabetes, and diabetic ketoacidosis.